Hey everyone, my name is Catherine and I am here with you from Art to Frames. I would like to teach you how to make a copy of your old vintage photos with just your phone. So here are two of my original vintage family photos. They're just wonderful, I love them. So now you can see a custom framed copy of the exact same photo in our frames. So they turned out great. There's this beautiful one here. So the best part about this framed photo is that I actually took it on my phone. So it's just never been easier to print and frame copies of photos for gifts for your family than with Art to Frames custom framing. They're handmade in Brooklyn in New York and delivered straight to your door in efficient time. So next I'm going to show you our best practices for taking pictures of your old photos from your phone. Okay, so I have my two family photos here laid on a flat surface. If the corners are curling up at all, you're going to want to weigh them down. So what you're going to use is just your camera phone, and you're going to sit directly above the picture in pretty good lighting. Natural lighting's the best, but if you get like glares from your lighting in your home, you can press the center here. It's going to autofocus, and you want to get it all in the frame there, but don't worry if you get some of the background, you can just crop it out. Alright, that one looks really good. And then this is the vertical one. So you're going to go directly above, press the center if you need to focus. Alright, so super easy. Once again, if you get any of the background, you can just crop it out after, no big deal. And now you're ready. Now all you have to do is upload your image on our custom framing page and we will print, frame, and ship to you.